picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, bury my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned, 'cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
Hey, it's your girl, twalacole, aka Sister Cole. And how's my fam doing? I hope you guys had a beautiful, beautiful day. Guys, so I got my package today that I've been waiting for. I have been wanting this purchase for so long. I have been watching this bag. I fell in love with it when I first learned about it, and I finally caved in and got it. Okay, so I decided to share it with you guys. I already opened it up, y'all. I'm sorry. I opened it up. All right, so it is the Jacquemus. It's the, I think I'm pronouncing it. Is it Jacquemus? Jacquemus? I don't know, but I don't know the right pronunciation, but you guys, it came in my box. Here's the dust bag right here. This is the dust bag. And let me show you which one I purchased, you guys. I love this for me. Boom. This is the one that I've been watching for a very long time, and I finally got it. So here it is. I needed a cute black bag, so it's the black bag. Jacquemus is written in gold, and this bag is big enough to fit my phone. You know, a thin card wallet, lip gloss, quite a few stuff. It also came with a crossbody, but I will not be using it as a crossbody. I will be using it with the handles, okay? So this is what it looks like on the inside. Nice. A nice size, a little pocket right there in the back. But you guys, how gorgeous is this bag? It's so cute. I finally got it, and I'll definitely be showing you guys how I rock the bag, okay? So let's see what it says about this. Your Jacquemus item, or it just tells you, the little card comes and it tells you how to clean it. It tells you how to clean it. I don't know if this bag has a particular name to it. I don't see if it's called a certain name. I'll look it up and see. But so excited, so cute. Can't wait to style it, you guys. Just waiting for my daughter to come down. Just sitting up here thinking, like, what am I going to do for my birthday? Birthday will be here in October, so I'm just trying to see what I am going to do. I always try to do something on my birthday because it's a blessing. It's a blessing to be able to see another year. I think birthdays are a big thing to me. I always try to do something to celebrate, you know, another year. So God willing, I'm just trying to think of what my plan is, what the plan is.
Things are getting intense, using up my sixth sense. Thought you had us figured, I can't use me at your expense. They be on that pretense, we be on some defense. Left you in the past tense, you could keep your 2 cents. I don't wanna be another target.